We're back at Heavy Haul HQ. We're back at Heavy Haul HQ. We got a really fun project today. This is on the Fontaine Magnitude trailer. This is a 55 ton. This is actually a 55H, so it's more of a heavy duty 55 ton. So it has the couplers on the front where you can put a flip box, 3-foot neck extension or 2-foot neck extension, whatever belongs on this one. And it's better supported in the rear to get the spreader bar or a stinger on the back. It's got the full hydraulic neck, but what's really cool about this project, and we're just getting started, I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, is this one was custom built because they saw the Lamborghini trailer with Lamborghini green accent package. So it has it on the frame jack, it has it all the way down on all the outriggers, and then really cool in the back, and shout out to one of my viewers on TikTok showed me that I call it sparkles or glitter in the paint. He says it's not sparkles, it's not glitter, it's either metallic or pearl in the paint. And thank you for teaching me that. Anyways, on the air tanks and what we call the boom trough, it's got the Lamborghini green. This trailer, and for the long format YouTube videos, this will be the first one y'all see that's by Fontaine, that has keyhole slots all the way down the side. They're going to start doing this, and these are made to accept 1/2-inch chain, so they're rated for 1/2-inch chain. It's got all the regular options. Of course, we have extra light package going down the side, and I think this one's got double aluminum rims. Yeah, so the inside's aluminum, outside's obviously aluminum. It's a little dirty because it's been raining out in the yard. We're just getting it in to start the project that I'm about to show you guys. It's got dual cam paws that rise down in the casting racks, or to right down in here to give you 7 adjustable ride height settings, full hydraulic neck, the very demure, very mindful Magnitude badge. When you see Magnitude, you know it's going to be like a high quality trailer. Not like, it is a high quality trailer. So the cool project that we're doing today is we're taking out all the lights on the side of the neck, all the lights down here. We're swapping it over to a truck's accessories, dual revolution. So these will go red, green. The ones on the side will do amber, green. The ones in the back will do 2 different things. They'll do red, green, and red strobe. So you have all your brake lights in the back, and then these will swap over to strobe with the dual function. These will be like a switch on these. And these are your little button lights. So they got a little chrome bezel, little 3/4-inch light as they call it, and they'll go in place of all these. And then what we've been doing is putting a little module and a remote control switch. What happens is you have to have a complete separate wiring harness all the way down to get that second and third wire on all the lights. And so where you disconnect on the neck, so when you go to load heavy equipment up on here, of course you have to disconnect the air and the electrical right here. And so you'd have to have a whole nother harness that would give you that second and third function on the lights. So what we're doing is adding remote control, and I'll show you how that goes. Also, a huge shout out to Trucks Accessories. They sponsored some of the customers. These are new products. They have these that are 23,000 lumens and these that are 1,200 lumens. These are for like high fog and rain, and these are just for like ultra bright. They're fog lights / work lights / floodlights. So you could, in theory, pop them up on the neck or on the back of the trailer and project light all the way down y'all's trailers, trucks, SUVs, Jeeps, off-road vehicles. These are our little metal rings. If y'all are wanting to do these at home, they're called Maxima ring, part number, whatever. M-50703, M-50703, M-50703. But you have to be really careful because it doesn't give you like a lot of room. So you have to mark your holes, center them. Otherwise, one of those holes will be like off to the side. Then the other thing you have to have is a magnetic drill press because it's a tiny little 3/16 drill bit. And then you have to magnetize the drill onto the metal. So we've like covered it up with tape. We're trying to take every precaution. The worst one we ever done this on The worst one we ever done this one on was freaking stainless steel package, and it was a nightmare. We had to like come around to the back and put the magnetic drill press up in here, and then you have to be careful too with all the harnesses and everything. Because if I scratch this guy's trailer up, he's gonna kill me. Then you have these little things right here. These are called bullet connectors. You'll have different dropouts like these where you can put your wiring harnesses into. But we have other harnesses upstairs that are like a T. They call it a Y harness or like a T harness. And then that'll get you pull your regular harness apart and then you can plug it in and it'll like tee off and do different things. It depends on what wire you're trying to get out of there. Come on, guys, let's do an update. See the progress that we've made on it so far. Got the lights in the back. Oh, I got to be careful stepping on this thing. All right, so we got these lights in the back. They are beautiful. So they look just clean as glass back here. All those are in. We got the button lights on there. They look super clean. We got the lights in the front. We're cleaning up all the wiring and stuff. And then kind of finishing up some of the other components. Again, if y'all need these, of course, y'all can order them here, or you can reach out to a lot of the chrome shops have these. These are Trucks Accessories. They've been a lot of fun. Shout out Nadia over at Trucks Accessories. She's the one that does all their social media. And I know a lot of y'all have seen their really awesome social media on Instagram. They're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all that. And they do tremendous jobs. So we'll get hopefully one more video of this thing as an update. And then the final product. All we have left today is Tuesday, is to get the remote controls going, get the modules on, put them in their Pelican boxes. I call it a Pelican box. It's like a weatherproof box because the modules themselves are not like super robust of a piece of electronics. And so we're going to get those in like some little Pelican boxes. We'll need one on the neck and then one on the deck somewhere kind of safely stored away. And so, oh, and a huge shout out to 5S Transportation. They are the ones purchasing this trailer. They saw the all Lamborghini green trailer, and then the father told the son that he would allow him to pick the colors, and this is what he did. And this thing has been tremendous. Everybody's really liked it a lot. How's it go? We're going to use our microphone today because the audio quality, there goes Brandon, Ryan, Daniel, Michael. We got to try to get the audio quality back up. So today we're using our Rode mic. All right, so we're back. We got the Fontaine Specialized. It's a Magnitude H, so it's kind of a heavier duty. We got the Trucks Accessories lighting in the back, 4-inch stop turn tail. One of them is a strobe. The rest will light up green. 2.5-inch marker. The rest of them, all of them will light up green as well. You know, you got your corner markers. 3/4-inch button lights with the little chrome bezel. This one actually has double aluminum. So that's cool. We're going to put an airway scale right there. Boom. We found a spot for it. So right there where they have the liquid filled gauge, we will put the airway scale. We're not going to light it up yet today, or maybe at least until the end of the day. And then we have all the lights in the back of the neck. So those are 2.5-inch amber as well. Got the dual position cam pause giving you 7 ride height settings for the front ride height. And then more lights on the neck. We got 1, 2, 3. We're cleaning up back here a bit, so we're gonna put some more loom and everything. Right now we're kind of testing it. We got to get everything heat shrinked, put loom on it, heat shrink, all that. So far it's coming along pretty smoothly, guys. Hopefully soon we'll get it lit up so all the green lighting will kind of match that Lamborghini green in the boom trough or V-pan, whatever you want to call it, and the air tanks, outriggers, and frame jack. All right, guys, let's send it. Back with the Fontaine Magnitude with the green frame jack and the green outriggers. Lamborghini green. It's not sparkles or glitter in the paint, it's pearl. Now we know it's pearl. We got all the lights in the back of the neck installed. Down the side, we're still buttoning up a few more things. We got to put airway scales on it tomorrow. We got the mid turns in, 3/4 inch button lights, the beautiful sparkly pearl Lamborghini green outriggers. It's got the keyhole slots cut out of the side so you can chain down with that. All the D-rings, chain up first axle. Beautiful V-pan or boom trough there in green, and green air tanks. And it's pretty cool to see all the green lighting. Let's give the remote control system a try. So now when we swap it over with the remote control, all the lighting will light up green or DOT colors. Green or DOT colors. It's got double aluminum outside rims. I think this one was around, the price tag was around $115 or $120 by the time we did all this work. Here's a dealership where we work at. You can always call me at 1-888-LOW-BOY-1. Or there's a link in my bio if you ever want to make a custom project or a trailer like this. Tomorrow we're going to put an airway scale down in here as a special surprise for this customer. The company name that bought this trailer is 5S Transportation. And we've got some upcoming projects on some fog lights from Trucks Accessories. They got fog lights. We're going to do some like on the top of the neck of one of the Fontaines, and then some, those will be the work lights, the 23,000 lumen. And then we got some that are fog lights that we're doing on the front bumper of a truck. I got to find someone with a nice truck to put it on as like a surprise giveaway, sponsored by Trucks Accessories. This project was not sponsored by them. It was paid for by the customer and their brilliant ideas. It's about, what time is it? 6:30 on Thursday, the 22nd. And we got the remote control system working. So let's kind of take a walk around. Siri, call 911. These folks got me up here before sunrise. We got a couple little special details we added to the trailer. We have a light up badge on both sides of the neck. We still have the remote system. This is what everything looks like lit up at night. And then where's the airway scales at?
Right there in that poster right there.
And then like the high visibility for the airway scales.
Yo, it's Heavy Haul HQ, rolling with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power and the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing. Trucks on the highway, flexing the muscle. Heavy Haul Nation, we hustle and tussle. Precision and skill, that's how we roll. From coast to coast, we're reaching our goal. No load too big, no job too tough. At Heavy Haul HQ, we play it rough. Move the weight, we bring the freight. Heavy Haul HQ, we dominate. On the road, we stand tall. When it comes to haul, and we do it all. from Mars, blue lights gleaming, Trail King super stretch just like we're dreaming.